Definitely recording.
Yeah, this is going to be mad. So we're going to start it up now with using a bit of brake cleaner because there's no pipes on it. Wish us luck. This week has been a better week, hasn't it?
Yeah, up to press, yes. But we're not going there.
Don't go any further. We have a throttle body. We found a throttle body, so we're going to put that on because we lost it in all the confusion. Thank you to everybody, and I mean everybody that sort of sent messages to us about the non-starting problem. We have it started, well, not starting, but we've got it cranking, so we've got it spinning over, which I'll show you we'll do that. What's going to happen today, I'm going to put the dashboard back in, get all that in, the heater in, the dashboard, all the wires put in, that all connected up, steering
Column,
forgot the name of it, steering column. I'm going to put that in, it's there. So I'm going to put the steering column in. You're going to go get your sandwiches.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Alex
Not have food.
Alex forgot his sandwiches, but most importantly, what else have you forgot?
Chocolate.
Forgot chocolate. We always have chocolate on it when we're working together. Don't want you wasting away, do we?
Hell no.
So we'll do that. We're going to put the front end on to make sure everything fits up. Put the bonnet on, fingers crossed. We'll get time for that. But what do you think? Manifolds aren't on or anything like that. But what do you think about now that we've got it spinning over? How about putting throttle body on and squirting some brake fluid?
Yeah, see if it'll run.
Not brake fluid, brake cleaner. Brake fluid. Put some .4 into it. Yeah. Put some brake cleaner and see if we can get it to go.
See if we can get it to run.
Yeah. With, I think we should probably have flames, don't you?
Probably, because there's no exhaust. So.
No exhaust on, no manifolds on. We'll do that later. So, yeah, that'll be fun.
Right then.
Right, you go get your chocolate, sandwiches, but don't forget chocolate.
There's no forgetting chocolate.
Yeah, I'll put all interior in while you're away. Alex, he's back from the shop. Did you get your sandwiches?
Yeah, of course.
What did you also get?
Chocolate.
You didn't forget? Oh, good lad. Well, I've had a bit of a tidy up inside, and all of the inside is back in, nearly. I'm going to do the steering column now, and Alex is, at the moment, what are you doing?
Making a mounting bracket for this.
Yep, which is going to mount somewhere there. And yeah, get steering column in, put clocks in, and then we'll crank it. Should we crank it and make sure we get spark?
Yeah.
Yeah. Quite cool is this, how the VW stuff works with the
with the Audi.
stuff. Yeah, I had on this is the steering column, and I've just cleaned this up. So it had the tabs were being cut off, hadn't they? They'd been butchered. Somebody had probably ground the column off or ground the lock off.
Yeah.
That's the lock for the Audi RS4, which actually fits there. So we just need to weld some brackets on to the column and bolt it on. That sits on. Just remove that. RS4. That sits into place there. All lines up. Column, shroud for the RS4. That'll fits as well.
That's quite good, that, isn't it?
Doesn't that look like a factory?
Yeah.
Look like we know what we're doing.
No.
It'll take a lot more than that, won't it? Yeah, and then RS4 clocks. So we just weld some tabs on then for this. Do you want to cut couple of tabs for me?
Yeah.
So I'll weld them onto here. That to go in. Or a proper steering lock.
Oof. All working.
Beware you thieves. Right. Yep. I need to just. Yeah. That'll be enough. What?
I haven't pressed record. I've done a U.
You kidding?
No.
You forgot to press record?
I forgot to press record.
One at the back. Right. That should do. Just take the bolts out. What are you holding it for?
I don't want it falling off and damaging it.
How dare you? They're good quality tacks.
I won't mean that. I mean when you get bolts out.
Oh, right.
Honest.
Thousands would believe you.
Yeah.
We should have, there should be them, what is it, shouldn't there? Them anti-thingy bolts.
Shear bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or, easiest way to do it, why don't we just put a 14mm socket on and wind it in, just...
Travel it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Norm it up,
Norm
as
it
they
up.
say.
I was watching Norm the other day.
Old time reference, good old Norm. Just touch that, see if it's stuck.
Yeah. I'll do this side, you do the other side. But you'll go first.
I'll do. I'll do, donkey. I'll do. Oh, my knee. You're going to paint all that then, mate?
Yeah, I'll bob a bit of.
Bit of Blake paint on it, make it look nice.
I'm just putting this in here to get rid of oil. It's not to be thrown.
You know me, it'll be in bin in 2 minutes. Right, that's out. I've put the, step over everything. Oh, break something, right. Steering lock's on. indicator stalks are on and plugged in. I've got the one for the key, yep, telling us it's safe. That's done. That's for stereo, don't need that. Stereo. Clutch is in. You hold that a second while I grab the old clocks.
Oh, they're oh yeah, they're clockwise.
They're clocks. Always get all nice, all giddy, don't we, after dinner because of chocolate?
Yeah, all the mean numbers we've just had.
Yeah. Do you know what we sound like when we come back all excited and all giddy like that Shmee on YouTube, him that buys all them nice expensive cars.
Oh,
He just runs around there. It reminds me of a human version of a dog.
okay.
You know what I mean? Shut up and talk normal.
Have you had your little rant?
I have had my little rant. Watch this, I'm running to him next week. Hey, you're that,
I saw you.
you're that person from Stone Talk. Right, are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh, let me put my secondary clutch wires together. We have found out though, we have got one on the way, haven't we?
Yeah, we found a man who's got one.
We have found a man that's got one.
I don't know how we're going to mount it to a pedal because it hasn't got a.
We'll have to drill another
I've got a
one.
mount for it.
No, we could make a template of that one. And
Yeah.
go on. Yeah. Right, we're ready. Think.
Oh, you know what's wrong?
We haven't put
Quick
battery
release
on.
battery's not been connected. Oh, do you know what?
Right.
You got all excited and giddy because of the chocolate.
Yeah, cut that bit, and we'll do that in a minute. All we were doing at this point, we're just making sure when we cranked the engine that we built oil pressure and the oil went off. Last thing we wanted to do was start the engine and obviously have no oil pressure.
Let's see if there's any faults. There's nothing plugged in. How did it run?
Right, we can tease no longer. We've plugged in things, we've checked VAGCOM, we've got most of the stuff in now, and it's all working. So clocks are working. Yeah, it's looking good. So we can tease you no longer, can we?
No.
And in true YouTube style, we'll wait till we put the exhausts on, the manifolds and everything like that.
Yeah, before we try it.
Yeah, yeah. Sod that, come on.
Yeah, let's see if it goes.
Yeah, let's see if it goes. Let's spray some brake cleaner down the old, down its throat. Should we turn the lights down a bit just in case it starts?
Yeah, turn them off.
Yeah.
Leave the other side on.
It'll start spitting flames, won't it? Out of manifold.
Or inlet.
Oh, yeah. Right. It's still... Let's turn them all off, eh? We can still see it. Ooh, there we go.
That's dark.
That is dark. But, there we go. It's brightening itself up. There you go. Right. Do you want a torch? Or can you see where you're spraying?
No, I'll just spray in a general direction.
Spray in a general direction of it. Right, here you go, mate.
Right.
Right. Are we ready for some fun?
We've got that bucket of water ready to throw over everybody.
I was just going to throw it over you. Right, ignition's on. Wires are crossed. Away we go.
Thank God for that. It's run out of fuel.
That was loud.
I didn't even spray any in.
Whoa, that was loud.
I think we might have a few air leaks on pipes.
I think I may have missed my pants.
My legs feel quite warm.
So we calm down now.
Yeah.
That was a little bit loud.
I wasn't expecting it to do that.
No, I wasn't expecting throttle to be wide open either.
Well, it won't, but I think it's just pipes we've got missing, breather pipes, and
But it runs, it breathes, it lives.
it flows flames.
So we're going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye from me.
Bye from me.